Hello, I'm going to show you how to properly install VPN on Amazon Fire TV Stick. First of all, choose a VPN service. Pick a reliable VPN that supports Fire TV Stick, for example ExpressVPN, NordVPN or Surfshark. Then turn on your Fire TV Stick and connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure your Fire Stick is powered on and connected to the internet. Go to the Amazon App Store. On the Fire TV home screen, select the search icon, type the name of your VPN app. Download and install the VPN app. Select the VPN app from the search results, click download or get. Wait for the app to install. Open the VPN app and log in. Launch the VPN app, enter your login credentials, username and password. Connect to a VPN server. Choose the server location you want to connect to, click connect. Verify the VPN is working. Once connected, the VPN app will show you new IP location. You can also test by visiting a website that shows your IP address. Optional, set up VPN on your router. If your VPN supports router setup, you can install it on your Wi-Fi router. This protects all devices connected to your network, including Fire Stick.